The Irish not so long ago were persecuted at the hands of the Brits. The Palestinians have nowhere to go. It's their fucking home and they're bombing them from the skies. If you're not calling it a genocide, what the fuck are you calling it? Free, free! Palestine! Free, free!
That's Kneecap performing at Coachella over the weekend, and at the end of their set they put pro-Palestinian messages up on the big screen behind them. It very simply reads, F Israel, free Palestine.
Regardless of whether or not you agree with what they're actually saying, it surely can't come as a huge surprise to people that an overtly political and what you might call protest band is making loud and, shall we say, unambiguous political statements. Kneecap are going to be Kneecap.
Well, if you go to see them, you know what you're getting.
Well, exactly. If you go to see Rage Against the Machine, you're going to get loud protest music. If you go to see Daniel O'Donnell, chances are you're not.
What about you, Brian? Do you think that the musical stage should be used for political speech?
I mean, just because somebody can write a song or just because somebody can play an instrument doesn't mean they're an expert. I just think it's a massive embarrassment to the entire North and South in Ireland, and I think we need to kind of start calling out this nonsense from them.